Today we are doing a basic and gentle routine to help stretch out our hips. I also want to let you know about my 2-week Happy Hips Challenge that starts Monday, April 3rd, 2023. It's happening over in my Unlimited community, and we're going to focus on stretching, mobility, and strength to make those hips happy. All the details to sign up are below. Today's routine focuses on our tight hips, and this is a great basic routine that anyone can do. You can do it on the floor on a mat, or you can even do it in bed if that feels better to you. So we are gonna start sitting. So you're gonna sit, and I want your arms behind you so that you can kind of just lean back on those arms, and you can even prop yourself up on some pillows here. So I have my legs out in front of me, and I'm gonna let my left knee just fall out to the left and then bring it back up. Right knee over to the right and back up. So no real rules here to this movement, okay? I just want you getting a little bit of movement and rotation in those hip joints. This is kind of a little warm up that we can do to make our stretching a little more beneficial, a little easier, and it's opening up the hip joints themselves. Okay, so we'll just do a couple more here. Again, leaning back in whatever position that's best for you. You can just prop up on pillows if you need to, and that feels best, that's fine. Nice job, come back to center. Now on the left leg, straighten it out in front of you, just slide it out, and then flex the foot so you pull the toes towards you. Then relax the foot and bring it back in. Other side, so the right leg reaches out, flex the foot, relax it, and pull it back in. So I know this doesn't seem like those traditional stretches that you're used to sometimes, but we kind of forget that we need to work our way into it. We need to work through and around the joint itself. We can't just jump right into an extreme hamstring stretch. Our body's not going to appreciate that. Nice job. Come back up and then just let both legs fall to one side and then bring them back up and the other side and back up. And it's okay if your low back moves a little bit too. Just finding a little bit of breath here. Nice job. And then after that one, we're gonna find ourselves on our backs. And once you're down, reach that left leg straight and hug the right knee in. And what I want you to do is just give it as much of a squeeze as you can. And if you wanna just hold on the thigh, that's fine too. But I really want you to squeeze where you can and how you can, even if that means the knee goes to the side. Because again, our joints really like that compression and that squeezing, okay? Then we're gonna hold behind the leg, reach it up, and bend. So working into the hamstrings now. And if you prefer, you can use like a belt or a strap around your foot. So you would put it around your foot and hold with both hands on either end. That can help give you some assistance here too. Okay, on this one, reach it up, stay there, and ankle circles. And then switch directions. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it back in. And then keep your left hand on the knee. Bring it over to the left. And you're going to reach your right arm out and turn and look. And again, don't feel like you have to do a full twist here. It might just be a little baby twist. And that's okay. And then we're going to pull it back up. Give it one more squeeze. And then switch legs. So other side. And here too, remember you can bring the knee out to the side. Okay, that's completely fine if that's better for your body and your situation. You can bring it right in. You can squeeze on top of the shin or maybe behind the thigh.
I just want you to think about squeezing in the situation that you're in right now. How can you make that happen that's comfortable for you? And then we're going to hold behind the leg and reach it up. Or again, you're using a strap on the foot. To me, the most important thing is that you find a way to move that works within your situation, your season of life, your body, whatever you're going through, whatever you have the capacity for today. What movement can you create within that so that you feel empowered and you feel encouraged? What doesn't matter is that you look like me doing this. Or what doesn't matter is that you look exactly how you did yesterday doing it. Each day is different. So find what you're able to do on any given day and embrace that. Reach it up. Stay here. Ankle circles. And switch directions. Nice job. Hug the knee in. Right hand onto the knee. You're going to bring it over to the right. Left arm reaches to the left and turn and look at it. Nice. And then come back up. We're going to hug both knees in. And again, they can be completely wide and apart or together. And I just want you to rock it side to side. We're going to switch legs again. But this time, place that left foot down and cross the right leg so that the ankle is on the knee. And this might be enough of a stretch for you. If it is, stay here. Otherwise, bring the legs in towards you. So you hold behind the left thigh or on top of the left shin. And you can rock it a little bit side to side. Work your way there. Eventually trying to settle so that your tailbone is flat on the ground. So stretching our piriformis here. Nice. Take your time switching legs. And we'll do the other side. And keep in mind, one side might be different than the other. Okay, they're not going to feel the same. They're not going to look the same. So it's almost like you have to start over again. Okay, recheck this side. Work your way into this side. And then get that tail flat when you're ready. Nice. Release that. Hug your knees in again. And then we're going to roll onto our sides to push up to a seated position. And I'm going to have my legs in a cross-legged position, okay? And you can be however is most comfortable to you here. So you can be sitting up on a block or a bolster or even in a chair. I'm going to find myself here, and I want you to be able to sit up tall. That's the key, okay? So whatever position you're in, you're sitting up as tall as you can. And then you're going to bring your hands behind your head. And you're going to inhale to rotate to the right, exhale center, inhale left, exhale center. So you could even do this sitting at your desk. The key is to get up as tall as you can in that posture. So what we're doing is just by sitting here, we're actually working on some mobility in the hips. And we're also really working in mobility in your upper spine, which is extremely important as it relates to the hips. Okay, so you can either stay here or see if you can reach the legs out. They're mat distance apart. Your toes are pulled back. You sit up tall again and do the same thing. Okay, so your options are to have the knees bent or legs straight while you're doing this. One more each side. Nice job. Back to center. Hands rest down.
And then we're gonna leave the right leg out and bring the left foot in. So I'm gonna turn towards you here, almost this side straddle position. I'm gonna bring my right hand inside that leg, left arm reaches up, and then we're gonna reach, reach, reach over. And just take your time once you're over there. We're gonna settle in. Think about spinning your heart and your ribs towards the sky. And slowly come back up. And we'll switch legs. So left hand inside the left knee, right arm up and reach. Open the ribs up towards the ceiling. And then slowly return. Bring your legs out in front of you. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, dive and reach forward. Restack. We're going to do that one more time. And restack again. And great job. Thank you so much for joining me here today. And I'll see you on your mat soon.